Welcome to Robinson's Commercial Solutions. Here I want to talk to you about the new way to manage and control your LED lighting. With the combination of today's new generation LEDs that run so much more efficiently and the development of network technology, we are now able to converge the two to create the most cost-effective and easy way to manage your lighting and save you loads of money in the process. Let's first take a look at what a typical Dahlia lighting structure looks like. We'll remove all above ceiling clutter, the drivers, the lighting interfaces, the power supplies, all 230 volt feeds, and just simply replace all this with a data network feeding all the luminaires and sensors. All the lighting drivers are now centrally located in a controlled environment. So why use a PoE managed lighting solution? Cleaner, more efficient installations. All the luminaires and controls now directly sit within a programmable environment on a data network. The key thing to understand is, it's the drivers that fail prematurely, not the LEDs themselves. Industry states LEDs last between 50 and 100,000 hours. You can have lights failing after approximately 6,000 hours due to the drivers. Also, at the construction stage, snagging is vastly reduced, and lights can be commissioned much quicker because the infrastructure is now all low voltage. Savings come in three areas: the installation, the operation and running costs, and potentially the largest, maintenance costs. The graph shows you savings on a recent student accommodation block. It is split up into three areas. If you compare costs for a full smart building, a Dahlia controlled building, and if you had no controlled lighting at all. The operation and running costs are controlled in these six key areas. Combine all these and you can see savings between 50 and 85%. The benefits go further. The WELL building standards are going to become more prevalent, and with our biodynamic lighting system, this ticks all the boxes. Enhanced daylight access, glare control, circadian lighting design, light quality. So what is circadian lighting? It's all about artificial light and the effects it has on all of us. Artificial light disrupts the body's circadian rhythm, the body's 24-hour sleep-wake cycle. A building with a circadian lighting design enhances the life and well-being of the people working and living within it. To that end, the quality of the light produced has a major impact, flicker being the main culprit. Flicker has been associated with eye strain, headaches, migraines, and epileptic seizures. Using the right light fittings that emit high quality of light contributes to a comfortable and healthy space. So let's recap. LED lighting over Ethernet is more efficient and easier to install, cleaner, simpler, and more cost effective. Everything runs on a data network, making it easier to maintain. Large savings on LED driver maintenance. Intelligent. Safe. The future. If you have a project that you think may benefit from this new solution, please give us a call.